thought it was boring, but we enjoyed it anyway. Culture, vision, mission of our company have taught us in a very nice way. The culture is the way we act and interact. The vision to create a happy customers on an ongoing basis. The mission is the one we should ask ourselves, why we do live and exist. We, the staff and the management, realize we have to be connected. These are all done and we have our own perspective. Let us all be cooperative and productive. Negative traits are not accepted. The big change is about to happen. Be positive. But teamwork, barriers, and values should be implemented. Thankful for this seminar we did, including Mr. Trasos. We experienced and upgraded. Because we have changed, and change is for better and for good.